Is your Mazda 5's alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. Many owners experience this due to door hatch switches, key fobs, or the battery. First, check all door and hatch switches for wear, debris, or corrosion. These can send false open signals. A quick clean might solve it. Next, ensure your key fob has a fresh battery and is properly synced. Try reprogramming it. Lastly, test your car battery's voltage. A weak battery often causes BCM malfunctions, triggering the alarm. Address these three, and you'll likely silence those unwanted alarms. Most fixes succeed on the first attempt, saving you a trip to the mechanic. For advanced fixes, when basic checks fail, turn to digital diagnostics. Use an OBD2 scanner to read body control module error codes like P1640 for BCM faults. Online tutorials guide DIY repairs, saving on professional shop visits. For persistent issues, inspect wiring harnesses for shorts. To prevent future problems, perform annual battery checks and use anti-corrosion sprays on switches in humid climates. Since Mazda 5 production ended in 2017, aftermarket parts are crucial. Sustainability favors reusable parts from eBay for affordable switch replacements at $10 to $20. Community forums and YouTube tutorials provide specific fixes.